We are back, part 3. And where are they? A banana here, bruh. Banana.
Guess. What the hell?
Cristiano Ronaldo. Huh?
What name is that?
Oh, Ben! Nadecline ko! And we are gonna start. Oh, shit.
There's many guys inviting me to their party.
Meg, may ano na. Madaming mod dito.
Oh my god.
Nigga, where ka? Ayaw ko.
I'm going to leave. No.
Ah!
Uy! Ano yung boses nyo? Ha? Sabi ko magsisigaw. Isa pa ha?
Let's speedrun nightmare mode. Okay, I got jumps. Ako naman may kano. Ay, alam ko na kung anong gagawin.
Then, ako magkuha ng car keys.
Naku po, act 3 na tayo. Dami pang gagawin dito sa act 3.
Ako magkuha ng car keys. Nasa yun ha? Okay. Ako magkuha ng magnet ha?
Ako na. Magaling ako
mo yung car keys eh.
Alam ko yung gagawin dito.
Alam ko din gagawin.
Meron ng railway. May railway. Alam mo yung gagawin sa railway.
Railway.
Ayun, tumingin sa taas. Yapper, definitely.
Nagbibideo ka?
Takbo. Where's that Fredbear, bro?
Fredbear stuck again.
Fredbear is stuck.
Wow, that's
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm gonna get the crow. Screw pala, screw. For you, you're happy and healthy.
Nabuksan ko to para mabilis. Kinuha mo na? Ay. Sama naman. Let's go. Mamig!
I will inside.
Ay. Let's go.
Do we need this or not? Okay, I'll keep it. Wait.
Hindi, may ano ako. May speed boost. Saan kayo tayo dito? Dito.
Oh! Yeah.
Station. But the entry. Who throw that?
You.
Get. Dun yung ano.
I'm here outside. Fredbear's outside. I'm here at the map.
Find the yellow key to unlock this.
Oh! I found the yellow key.
Fredbear ang daan eh.
I got the yellow key.
Kaya lang eh. May train key dito. Punta na ako dun. Meron pa akong train key dito.
What color?
Yun.
Up there. How can you go there?
Come on.
Wait me there.
Bisa mo.
Wait me, I don't know how to go there.
Magpaparkour ka.
Turo mo sa akin.
Dito. Sama. Hindi ka kasi nag-ano eh.
No, you're not bad. Oh.
Sobrang bilis ni Bunny. Sama.
Where's Bunny? Hindi naman yun si Bunny. Did you see Bunny?
Sama. Magdadrive.
Ikaw mag- No, that's not one person.
Ay, sige.
Ay. YOLO ka, din. It's dark. Bunny is not here. And I have endless. Look, I have endless. No, da! Na...
Trap yan. Akit tayo ulit. Alam po na kung paano ano lang tayo nun.
Trap tayo?
Hindi. Ano tayo?
Where are you going?
Shot lang nga. Oh, let's go ah. May bagay dito sa ilalim na to.
Ayun.
Let's go up. Sige, punta pa tayo sa taas.
This room is cursed. Never mind. There's nothing there, bro. I always just said it. There's nothing there.
Shot lang. Napunta ako dito ah. Shot lang.
I'll go there.
Climb the tallest one. There's really nothing.
Fredbear's missing. Where's Fredbear? No, you're not gonna drive. I'm gonna drive. Yeah. You don't have headless. Because I have one.
Di! Dito! Wow! Kuha ko na yung red key! Nakuha ko na yung red key! Sabi, dyan mo! Dito banda.
I fall.
Kailangan natin pumunta dun.
I fall.
Let's go. Bubuksan pa natin yung ano eh.
Aircock.
Fredbear got me. Go. Fast!
Wait me there.
Namatay. Isa mo. Lapit na tayo.
I can't go fast anymore. Train is here. I'm outside.
Let's go.
We battled. That's stage 4.
Hindi, nightmare mode naman yung next.
Oh.
Pero,
Is Bunny there?
I don't know.
Ricardo. Okay na.